XIAOMI D16 Mini Drone capture stunning aerials with ease. The XIAOMI D16 Mini Drone is a compact and powerful quadcopter designed for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. Equipped with an 8K HD camera, 3-sided obstacle avoidance, and various intelligent flight modes, this drone makes it easy to capture professional quality photos and videos. Its portable design and user-friendly controls make it perfect for beginners and experienced pilots. Key features: optical flow, dual camera, capture stunning high-resolution aerial footage with the advanced Optical Flow Dual Camera system. Enjoy the flexibility of adjustable camera angles, including 180-degree upward shooting for dynamic and creative shots. 8K HD resolution. Record video in up to 8K resolution, delivering incredibly detailed images and allowing you to capture the world from a unique perspective. Wi-Fi FPV and AP control. Experience immersive real-time flight with Wi-Fi FPV transmission. Control the drone and access advanced features using a dedicated smartphone app, making flight control and media capture intuitive and seamless. 3-sided obstacle avoidance. Fly with confidence thanks to the integrated 3-sided obstacle avoidance system. The drone intelligently senses and avoids obstacles in its path, minimizing the risk of collisions. Air pressure, fixed height. Maintain stable altitude with the air pressure fixed height function. This feature allows the drone to automatically hold its position, making it easier to capture steady footage and focus on composition. Portable and durable design. The drone's compact size and lightweight design, approximately 315 grams, make it incredibly portable and easy to carry. The fully enclosed propeller design enhances safety and durability, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Headless mode. Fly with ease in headless mode, which eliminates the need to determine the drone's orientation. This feature simplifies flight control, especially for beginners. One-click return. Bring the drone back to its starting point effortlessly with the one-click return function. This feature ensures you can easily retrieve your drone, even from a distance. Intelligent flight modes. The drone offers a variety of intelligent flight modes, including up, down, front, rear, left, right. Turn, basic movement controls. Lateral flight, fly sideways. LED light, for better visibility during flight. 360-degree stunt roll. Perform impressive aerial maneuvers. Draw the flight path. Plan a flight path on your smartphone screen, and the drone will follow it autonomously. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology ensures a stable and reliable connection with the remote control, even in areas with potential interference. 6-axis gyroscope provides enhanced stability and smoother flight performance for greater control. Dual camera switchable. Seamlessly switch between the dual cameras to capture different perspectives and angles. Supports landscape portrait head-up shooting. Offers versatile shooting modes to adapt to various photographic needs. Camera electric adjustable, 180-degree. Control the camera angle remotely for more creative and dynamic shots. Specifications: project number D16, optical flow electric tuning dual camera. Materials: ABS, plastic and electronic components. Color: black or gray. Gyroscope: 6-axis. Frequency: 2.4 G. Channel: 4CH. Motor: 7-axis motor. Battery: 3.7 V. LiPo battery included. Remote control power supply, 3 PA, self-provided. Remote control mode, left throttle, right direction. Flight time, approximately 10 minutes. Low altitude flight speed, 3 ms. Medium flight speed, 4 ms. High speed flight speed, 6 ms. Charging time, 60 minutes. FPV, Wi-Fi. Camera, optical flow, electrically adjustable, dual camera. Resolution, 4K or 6K or 8K. Camera angle, electrically adjustable, 180-degree. Dimensions of quadcopter, 14 by 11.3 by 4.7 centimeters. Packaging weight, approximately 315 grams. Packaging size, box, 14.5 by 9.5 by 17.8 centimeters. Packaging includes one D16 drone, one remote control, 3.7 V, LiPo battery, one USB charging cable, 4 spare blades, 1 screwdriver, 2 user manuals.